Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Mainly Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the search privacy option on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So click on the unsaved option on the bottom section and then click on the profile. If you are just using a normal, you have to click on the profile picture on the top left corner, or if you are just using a business account, click on the three dot option and click on the setting option. To turn off the search privacy option on your Pinterest account, click on the profile visibility. After clicking on the profile visibility, you have the option called search privacy actually turned on. So this will hide your profile and boards from the search engines like a Google. So your search, your boards and pins will not be available on the Google search itself. So to turn this off, just tap on this. So this will turn off the search privacy option on your Pinterest account and your result will be updated on the Google. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.